Are you ready for this? Here are 5 thoughts to turn ordinary water into miracle water. Miracle water designed to empower your life and help you manifest your dreams, your goals, and your desires. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And today I'm revealing to you miracle water that is designed to help you manifest what you deeply desire. It's through the power of transformation or alchemical transmutation that we change this water vibrationally from what it currently is into a magical, metaphysical, spiritual elixir that will truly empower your life. I promise you, if you'll use this for 5 days, you will be absolutely astonished at the manifesting power that you've developed in your energy field and with your intentions. You know, when I was writing up the video, I thought, well, I'm going to put in scientific information from Dr. Emoto and how water can be influenced. And I'm going to talk about the ancient alchemists, how they used wine and water, and the whole parable of wine and water from the Master Jesus. I thought about going into all of that, the metaphysical, the scientific. I may do that on another video. But I just want to share with you the essence of this technique because it is so powerful for transforming who you are. You remember, when we transform who we are, high flyers, when we change on a gut level who we are, then something changes around us. And we begin to notice that synchronicities happen, people line up, opportunities, everything seems to fall into place in order for you to manifest what you deeply desire. I had a client a while back ago, and I urged her to use the miracle water. And she was doing affirmations and vision boards and you name it, and nothing was working for her. And so when I asked her to do the miracle water for 5 days. That's it. Just 5 days. She was astonished. She received a text message from somebody that she hadn't heard of, or heard from, I should say, in like 8 or 9 months. It was a long time, almost a year. She was shocked. She said, Robert, this can't be. You're freaking me out. You're scaring me. I said, no. The only thing that happened is you changed your vibration. And when you shifted your vibration, oh, I love that word, shift. When you shifted your vibration, good things began to happen. Now, oftentimes they don't happen instantly, high flyers, because there's a kind of a space in between one level of vibration and the next level of vibration. But when you start using this miracle water, this magical elixir, this manifesting elixir, and you use it for 5 days with the words that I'm going to give you, trust me, you can expect a miracle in your life, a manifesting miracle. So I'm going to give you the first set of words, and you're going to say them on Monday. You're going to use them with this miracle water. You're going to speak them into the miracle water every time you take a sip of miracle water throughout the day. Now, this can be in your water bottle, but listen, high flyers, I urge you not to use plastic. Use a glass water bottle. They make them now, and they have the silicone outside, so if you drop it, it doesn't shatter, it doesn't break. Get yourself glass. This is what we've discovered works best. We've tried it with silicone and plastic and even metal. For some reason, your ability to see the water, for some reason, that has an impact on the water itself. High flyers, your first set of manifesting words for Monday is, I am a powerful soul. So when you pour yourself some water or in your water bottle, you will print up, I am a powerful soul. Now I have a coffee cup that actually has a chalkboard on it. I got it at Starbucks. And I can use, and I've done it many times, I use a white chalk pen and I just simply write, I am a powerful soul. And then I remind myself to drink water out of my coffee cup rather than coffee. But you get the idea. I am a powerful soul. So you're going to hold your glass or your water bottle. You're going to look into the glass or the water bottle, and you're going to say, I am a powerful soul. I am a powerful soul. And I want you to take a deep breath. I am a powerful soul. Now, the water has been alchemically transformed. It has been alchemically shifted, and it's going to help you feel powerful and confident. You see, powerful people, confident people, can attract what they desire. People who lack power, who lack confidence, have a struggle attracting what they desire. So the first thing you need is personal power. That's on Monday. Now, I may put my glass down, and throughout the day, I'm just meditating. I am a powerful soul. When I go to bed at night, I am a powerful soul. But every time I have a drink of water, look inside, I am a powerful soul. Oh, yeah. So now you've completed Monday. On Tuesday, you will say, I am an abundant soul. I am an abundant soul. I like to just simply say, I am an abundant soul, and then run that through my mind all day long. And of course, you speak it into the water just like you did on Monday. What Rachel likes to do, and I think it's a good idea, is she will say Mondays and Tuesdays. So she will say, I am a powerful soul. I am an abundant soul. So she's layering them as she goes throughout the week. Either way is fine. They both work. This really works, high flyers. Well, we're into Wednesday, and the words for Wednesday, the manifesting words for Wednesday, I am a loving soul. I am a loving soul. So now we have, I am a powerful soul. I am an abundant soul. I am a loving soul. Power gives you confidence and assurance that you're on the right track. Abundance brings money, prosperity, happiness, family, and joy into your life. And loving soul, of course, puts you in an environment where you're around people that love you and that you love in return. By now, at this point in the week, you should already be feeling significantly different. You should feel a different vibration, a different energy coursing through your body. But on Thursday, we're going to say, I am a magnetic soul. Magnetism, the ability to attract what you desire to you. People, opportunities, adventures, new doors. I am a magnetic soul. This is feeling good. I got to take a sip. So now we have, I am a powerful soul. I'm an abundant soul. I'm a loving soul. I am a magnetic soul. And of course, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. I am a happy soul. I am a happy soul. So high flyers, I want you to think about this. This is very important. Whenever you notice that you are getting off track with your manifesting, that things aren't opening, that you're running into resistance, I want you to come back to this video, rewatch it, and practice this simple technique. Do it for 5 days and notice the difference. You're going to be absolutely amazed at how your intentions just seem to sparkle, just seem to sizzle, snap, crackle, pop. Good things happening. It's amazing. Hey, want to remind you to visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Wherever you live in the world, we're here to help you with 30 minutes of free miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Claim your time now. If you're going through a relationship issue, money problems, court or legal problems, whatever it is, the law of attraction is here to empower your life. You have a wonderful day. You're special. We love you. We'll see you next time.